This is the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, and if you watch our unboxing, there is nothing much in the box, so kind of underwhelming. We are used to that these days. But let me share with you the reason why I think the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is going to be the all-round best Android phone of 2026. So if you're ready, let's go check it out. Everybody has been talking about the new privacy display on the Samsung S26 Ultra, but this was possible because of the new M14 AMOLED screen technology used by Samsung. The MVP here is the power efficiency of this new screen. It could give 20 to 30% more power efficiency than last year's M13, and you can see it can give up to 1 hour plus screen on time. This is clearly seen on Mr. Who's the Boss battery test, where the S26 Ultra gained almost an hour 30 minutes more screen on time than the S25, making it compete with phones with about 7,000 milliampere of battery. The 60-watt quick charging on the S26 Ultra is a complete game changer. I mean, I tested it with the OnePlus 160-watt PD charger, and that super fast charging 3.0, I even put iPhone on 40-watt charger beside it. It just blew everything away. Now, in my own test, yes, after 25 minutes, I got about 77% of battery using that OnePlus PD charger, and that is just a game changer. AI, yes, I know you've heard AI before, but this is next level AI integrated into every user experience. Let's start with call assist here, where you now have the call screening. Now, I've used call screening on Pixel, I've used it on iPhone. Here, the AI actually works with your call screening to give you a new experience. Then there is the writing assist that can integrate into social media posts, anything you're writing. It gives you a different experience. There is the interpreter. I mean, there is so much AI in your daily, in your transcript assist. It does a whole lot, like you're recording voice note, it transcribes it. There is more. There is photo assist, where you can add something, erase something, and do more inside the photo. It gets better with the Creative Studio. Well, this one you can add animal, add things that were not there. AI is now almost in everything that you are doing on your phone, helping you to do it better. There is the audio eraser. You can use it in third-party apps and what have you. It goes on and on and on. But the one that actually caught my attention is the AI integration into the Finder. Yes, from your desktop, from your home screen, you can clean the Finder to find anything, be it text, chat, relation documents, themes, whatever it is. The Finder will find it from your home page and take you straight to where it is. For me, this is next level refined AI that integrates with everyday user experience. The main camera improvement is an area I feel like I should fire Samsung marketing team because they didn't do enough on this. Of course, they told us that there is the f1.4, but did they compare it with another device to show us the little improvements? So this is the night time between the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra and the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Of course, you sincerely did that comparison, and this is a good place for you to click on that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell icon, because we will give you a full video of the comparison between the iPhone 17 Pro Max and the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. That video is already cooking, so make sure you turn on the notification bell icon to get it. But from this video, Samsung handled the light better. Hitting the screen was cleaner, less grain, less noise, thanks to that improved f1.4 aperture. Yes, so it's something that you will like when you use this phone on a daily. Everybody has been raving about the new horizontal lock on the S26 Ultra, but let me give you the information that is below it that Samsung didn't talk about. These stability videos are done with ultra wide lens, and Samsung ultra wide lens is the worst, f3.5. But how is he able to let in so much light and not require extra light beeping the warning on the screen? Is because of the new advanced Pro visual engine on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5. It was made for situations like this. Let me take you to iPhone and let me put on the action mode here. You'll see that the color will change because of the change of aperture. If I change it again, this is the main camera, the main full camera that has a bigger aperture, a faster aperture. But when I switch to that action, it will start telling you require more light. This same amount of light is the same thing I used when I shot the horizontal lock on Samsung S26 Ultra, and it didn't beep or want me to give more light. And you could see the product. There is so much more light in the outcome than that of the iPhone. And Samsung is not even talking about anything of this new Pro engine, the advanced one that can take in more light, that can help stability and all that. Let's even talk about the worst one here, the all lens on prism. It took Jerry Rig everything, thanks to him, to open up this thing to show us that the S26 Ultra, although it's shorter in length, is wider a bit because it's using all ends on prism technology to let in 39% more light. And what does that mean? What does that mean is better telephoto, better portrait, low light pictures. And we tested it against the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Of course, that video is coming. Make sure you subscribe to get it. Now look at our test. Every picture we shot in daytime, Samsung let in more light. Let's go to nighttime. You will see that Samsung let in more light. Even in the night again, there is more light thanks to that. So the Samsung S26 Ultra will sell. It is the most refined, the most improved Android flagship smartphone, and I believe if you lay your hands on it, this phone is just the best all-rounder flagship you can get. So yeah, what do you think about the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? Will you use it? Will you buy it? Will you recommend it? Let me hear from you in the comment section, and make sure you like, share, and click on that subscribe button. And until I see you in the next one, it is peace to our subscribe. I see you.